Your ERP implementation isn't truly successful until your end users adopt it in their day-to-day work. Only then can your organization enjoy the real benefits of your ERP, including streamlined processes, cost savings, and increased visibility. That's why companies across industries have trusted Ultra Consultants for decades to guide them through successful ERP implementations and increase technology adoption. Training is key to adoption. It's not just about showing employees how to use the system. It's about helping them understand the why, how each business process connects, and how the system supports their work. Let the employees understand how the new ERP system will benefit their roles. Show inventory managers how ERP tracks materials in real time, and sales reps how it speeds up quoting and order processing. When employees understand the value to their role, adoption grows naturally. Involve end users from the start, from planning to testing, data migration, and go live. Their input ensures the system fits your real business needs and helps them feel ownership in the change. Not everyone learns at the same pace. Provide ongoing support like help desks, user forums, and refresher training to build confidence and reduce resistance. Ultra Consultants goes beyond ERP selection and implementation. We can also help you deal with any potential resistance, increase user buy-in, and equip your employees with the skills and support to unlock the full potential of your new ERP. For more information and additional resources on how to bring our expertise right to your doorstep, visit us at ultraconsultants.com.